Fani Willis, Fulton County, Georgia's DA, the one that's trying to persecute Trump for election interference, is in big trouble. That's what I got for you today, so on with the show. Georgia judge delays ruling on enforcing Willis' subpoena. A Georgia judge on Monday put off his decision about whether Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis must testify in the divorce case of her alleged lover. This is going to blow up in her face like you would not believe. She wants to sit there and blame Trump for election interference, and that's exactly what she is doing. Not only that, Miss Piggy, as I like to call her, was as a homewrecker and a criminal, using state money for her boyfriend to persecute Trump. Then they use that state money to go on vacations and dinners and just living it up, which is illegal. For all you idiot liberals out there, pay attention, because it is illegal. Cobb County Superior Court Judge Henry Thompson did rule that the divorce case involving Nathan Wade and his estranged wife, Jocelyn Wade, would be unsealed and made public. Nathan Wade is the special prosecutor who has helped lead Willis' persecution of former President Donald Trump for alleged election interference, which I also want to mention that he was hired on as special prosecutor with no experience whatsoever. He barely had experience arguing a traffic ticket prior to this, so he definitely was not qualified for this position. He was hired on as special prosecutor November 1st of last year and filed for divorce on November 2nd. Funny how that works, don't you think? So how long has this affair been going on? Willis, who has been accused of clandestine relationship with Nathan Wade, is seeking to quash a subpoena she received from Jocelyn Wade in order to avoid her deposition in the case. This bitch can do what she wants, but she's going to testify. She is hopefully going to prison, and hopefully all the cases against Trump and the other defendants are thrown out, because some of these people took deals because I don't know why, because they're idiots, but they should be thrown out also. So we'll see what's going to happen. The district attorney claimed in a court filing that being deposed in the case would be outside the scope of discovery in divorce matter, and that it amounts to attempt to harass and damage her professional reputation. Well, Miss Piggy, you've already done that yourself. Willis has defended her hiring of Wade, who has little prosecutorial experience and has not directly denied a romantic relationship. Willis has accused Wade's estranged wife of trying to obstruct her criminal election interference case against Trump and others by seeking to question her in the couple's divorce proceeding. This bitch will say anything to get off of her corruption and her election interference. This is why this bitch needs to go to prison. Everything that the Democrats try to do against Trump backfires on them. Every damn one. And all you liberals out there want to believe this shit, go back to your basements and wake the hell up, because it's showing you, and I'm tired of sitting there listening to them putting comments on my videos or my Facebook page or whatever when they're wrong and they don't even want. They're so brainwashed, it's unbelievable. And if they can attack me, okay. Well, if I go back at them, I'm the one that gets suspended or whatever. My account gets suspended. This is what gets me about these liberal-ass media companies like Facebook, but YouTube is another one. This is what gets me. But Georgia judge unseals the divorce case as Senate plans to investigate Willis, which they rightly should. Prosecutor Nathan Wade and District Attorney Fani Willis, who are persecuting former President Donald Trump in Georgia for alleged to have engaged in an improper relationship and benefited financially from taxpayer dollars, and the state of Georgia Senate plans to probe the allegations. This is another article that I read from Just the News. First one was from Newsmax. Fani Willis and the Fulton County District Attorney pursuing the wide-range case against the former President Trump in Georgia was hit with two troubling developments today amid the controversy swirling around her office. The Superior Court judge unsealed the divorce case involving Wade and his wife, or estranged wife, and it should, because this is going to be all unraveled to the persecution of Donald Trump and the so-called election interference case. You want to see election interference, and I'll show you again. I'll show you this video of the Democrats. I'll just play part of it because it goes on for 15, 20 minutes of people denying elections. Watch this.
I have an objection because 10 of the 29 electoral votes cast by Florida were cast by electors not lawfully certified.
I object to the votes from the state of Wisconsin, which should not be legally certified.
Mr. President, I object to the certificate from the state of Georgia on the grounds that the electoral votes were not.
There's no debate.
Then I object to the certificate
from the state of North Carolina.
I object to the 15 votes from the state of North Carolina. I object.
I object to the certificate from the state of Alabama. The electors were not lawfully certified.
Is it signed by a senator?
Not as of yet, Mr. President.
In that case, the objection cannot be entertained. The objection cannot be entertained.
Counting,
Debate is not in order.
ballot. Even with the
There is
malfunction,
no
87
debate in
voting
order. Is
machines
it
at the
signed by a
African
senator?
American-
There is no
Rights Act
debate.
and
There is no
concerning
debate
hacking by
in
the
the
Russian
joint
government.
session. There is
In
no
the
debate.
early
There is
voting
no
from
debate.
16
There is
to
no
1,
debate.
and the massive
Please come to order. The
My
objection
signature on it,
cannot be
seeking it, Senator,
received.
but the Russian
Section 18, Title 3 of the United States Code prohibits debate in the joint session.
I do not wish to debate. I wish to ask, is there one United States senator who will join me in this letter
There
of
is no
objection?
debate. There is no debate.
One.
The gentlewoman will suspend.
Now, if people are going to get persecuted for denying elections, what about the Democrats? This shows you what kind of corruption the Democrat Party is. They can deny it all they want, and no problem. But when Republicans do it, it's a crime. Let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments and questions below. We're going to keep watching this about Fani Willis because all these idiot liberals out there said she did nothing wrong. Well, you can't spend state money and profit from it. And that's exactly what she did. She hired her idiot boyfriend that has no experience in prosecutions before this and was unqualified to take the position, which is another illegal thing. So wake up, you idiot liberals, and see the truth. And that's what I'm putting out for you. That's why I do my videos, to get the truth out, because the only thing the liberals listen to is fake, lame news media that only tells you one side of the story. Let me know what you guys think. Leave comments and questions below. Follow me on Rumble at ChazU, CHASU. And you know I'll be watching this story and many others. And as soon as I get some more information on this or any other thing, you know I'll get them out to you. So in the meantime, this has been The Talking Point with the Country Conservative. I'm Charlie, and I'll see you next time.